Have you ever checked your credit score and felt completely lost? Like, sure, the numbers are there, but what do they even mean? Maybe you've been denied a loan and have no idea why. Or perhaps you're just curious about how to improve your financial standing. Well, that's where companies like Borrowell come in. They offer free credit monitoring and aim to empower you with financial knowledge. But before you dive headfirst into their platform, a crucial question might pop into your head: where exactly is Borrowell based? This might seem like a minor detail, but it can actually tell you a lot about the company's approach and target audience. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a quick financial journey to uncover the secrets behind Borrowell's location. The rise of fintech in the Great White North. For those unfamiliar with the term, fintech, short for financial technology, refers to companies that use innovative technology to deliver financial services. Borrowell falls squarely into this category. But here's the interesting tidbit: fintech has seen a massive boom in Canada in recent years. Canada boasts a highly educated population with strong tech skills, making it a breeding ground for these innovative startups. Plus, the Canadian government has been relatively open to embracing new financial technologies, fostering a supportive environment for fintech companies to thrive. Setting the stage for Borrowell's Canadian roots. Now, this Canadian fintech boom perfectly sets the stage for Borrowell's emergence. Founded in 2014 by Andrew Graham and Eva Wong, Borrowell quickly carved a niche for itself by offering something revolutionary in the Canadian market: free credit scores. Think about it. Before Borrowell, accessing your credit score often involved hefty fees or complicated processes. Borrowell changed the game by making this crucial financial information readily available to Canadians, putting them more in control of their financial health. So, where's Borrowell calling home? If you've been connecting the dots, you might have already guessed it. Borrowell is a proudly Canadian company. Their headquarters are located in Toronto, Ontario, Canada's largest city and a major financial hub. Being based in Canada gives Borrowell a significant advantage. They understand the unique financial landscape of the country, the regulations, and the specific needs of Canadian consumers. This allows them to tailor their services and educational resources to resonate better with a Canadian audience. Beyond geography, Borrowell's global ambitions. While being Canadian is a core part of Borrowell's identity, it doesn't limit their ambitions. They've established themselves as a leading fintech player in Canada, but their sights might be set beyond the border. The global fintech market is massive and continues to grow rapidly. Borrowell might leverage their Canadian success as a springboard to explore opportunities in other countries with similar financial ecosystems. But for now, their Canadian roots remain a crucial part of their story. Borrowell, a Canadian champion for financial literacy. So, there you have it. Borrowell's Canadian base isn't just a random fact, it's a reflection of their mission to empower Canadians with financial knowledge and tools. By making credit scores accessible and offering personalized financial guidance, Borrowell is helping Canadians navigate the often complex world of finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.